Naka, in trying to increase community engagement through the Nadarivatu Forest Park project. The Ministry of Forestry is heavily involved and works collaboratively with the communities for the activities and the programs that will be carried out in the forest park, including visitors coming in. The ministry has also engaged the communities who will be part of tour guides and other activities that has been prepared by the ministry. So this is also one of the efforts of the coalition government in trying to improve income generating projects to assist our communities. Conservation through the Ministry of Forestry, we have been trying to conserve our forests. We are also engaged in our the programs of the ministry, which includes the tree planting program, planting of 15 million trees. Those are all part of the ministry's efforts and programs in the area of conservation. So like you mentioned, Nadarivatu Forest Park is the second, first being Dolesuva, and we hope that the same concept, the same programs that have been implemented in the ministry in Dolesuva will be implemented here. And we also hope to increase community awareness, so the community is aware of conservation efforts and the importance of conservation, especially in our effort to fight against the impacts of climate change. Thank you. I mean, if you had seen the last program before we break out for lunch, you'll see that most of the youths were engaged in the training, first aid training and the tour guide training. So they will be engaged in the various programs that have been set up by the Ministry for the Forest Park. So most of the youths in the villages are going to be part of the activities and programs for the Forest Park. To those who are intending to come and visit Nadarivatu Forest Park, in the area of tourism, most of the time we have been concentrating on the coastal communities, concentrating on tourism by the sea. I think it's about time that we shift the focus to tourism being showcased in the interior of our islands. You know, there's a lot of beautiful places, beautiful scenery that the visitors can come and enjoy. Not only the local visitors, but tourists that come in from overseas, because now with issues such as climate change, issues that are becoming very controversial in our everyday lives, I think the issue of conservation and the concept that is here at Nadarivatu Forest Park is something that they can experience for themselves and enjoy the beautiful landscape, the beautiful sights that the interior part of Fiji has to showcase. Naka.